Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing this unit that I got from Wiggins. So stay tuned if you'd like to see this video. So first we're going to take a look at the packaging. Inside comes a wig cap in the color like nude, and then you get this headband. I buy these headbands all the time, so it was really nice to get something that I would actually use in the box. I probably should have put it on in the video, duh. Well, here is some mink lashes, another good thing that I would actually wear. And this is like a postcard, like you can send this to somebody if you want. It comes with an envelope. So I thought that was really nice things to include in the box. And this is the hair straight out of the box. All right, and this is the loose deep, 22 inches. It's 180% density. And this one is a lace front wig. Okay, so you only get, you know, that space in the front to play around with. And of course, once you wash this unit, I promise you it's not gonna look exactly like this. It'll be like a looser wig. But the lace looks pretty good. It's transparent. Okay, and the inside you have 3 combs as well as adjustable straps at the bottom for more security. And it comes with a part, and you can tell that it's like pre-plucked in the front a little bit because it looks really natural. Moving on, let's get into applying the wig. I now washed the wig and I applied some of my Becca foundation to the inside of the lace using this brush instead of bleaching the knots and instead of adding powder, because I find that with foundation it lasts longer. So this is what the hair looks like after the wash. Now I'm gonna just apply it quickly, okay? And we're using the Got to Be Glued gel around the hairline. I'm not adding much, and I did do the adjustable straps tight so that it would fit snug on my head. Alright, so now we're just going to apply the wig really quick. And I didn't do many baby hairs and all of that. I wanted this to be really quick and to the point. So I just have that little swoop in the front. And I'm just laying the rest of the hair down so that it looks natural. I haven't had a middle part in a while. So yeah, that's what I wanted to do today. The hair is really soft. And the lace was melting right in like butter. It just was like just sitting. So I think it was really easy to apply this wig. I didn't have any issues. I think they did a great job with the hairline as well. And instead of using Got to Be Glued on the edges, I wanted it a little soft, so I used this foam and mousse. And that's pretty much it. See, quick, straight to the point, less than 5 minutes of application. All right, and this is what the hair looks like once I back up. And I think it came out pretty good. This is the loose deep lace front wig in 22 inches. It is 180% density, and this is the natural state of the hair. No product added, no product left in it, none of that. Okay, all I did was wash the unit when I got it, as well as conditioned it, and I let it air dry. And these are the natural waves of the hair. Okay, and 22 inches hits me like around underneath my boobs right here. And as you can see, the ends of the hair is more curly than the top. It's definitely like a loose wave. The lace on this unit is pretty thin, so that makes it really, really good for melting your lace if that's something you would like to do. Y'all know I stick to very simple. I just apply the unit as if I'm in a rush, because most of the time I am a mother of 2, and I'm usually on the go and I don't have time to sit down and do a bald cap. And I think I'm allergic to lace because I can't keep it on for longer than a day without it itching my scalp really bad. So I'm somebody who takes my wigs off at night, okay? So this lace is on the pretty thin side, which means that you're going to be able to lay your lace down really snug to your head, and you're not going to see the hairline, which is a really good thing. I think that these loose waves are absolutely gorgeous, and I think that the hair is pretty nice. It's very soft. I can run my fingers through it without any tangling. Throughout the day I get a little tangling at night. It's not nothing crazy, but if I was to leave it in for the full day, at night I will have a little tangling, but like I said, it's nothing like crazy. The shedding is very minimal, so the hair is pretty good overall for what I've seen so far. But I will check back in, and I'll probably post like updates down in the comments from now on each hair, just so that y'all have an idea of how the hair has been acting throughout a length of time, okay? Because I do get questions about, you know, how's the hair acting later on down the line. So that's what I'm going to do in the year of 2019. I'll post updates in the comment section, okay? So if you want to get your hands on this unit, I will have everything linked down in the bottom bar for you, so you can check out Wiggins hair store. And they also have an Aliexpress store, which means they are affordable. And I do have a coupon for y'all to save 10% off, which is Wiggins 10. Again, that information will be down in the bottom bar for you as well. Don't forget to check out Wiggins hair on Aliexpress, as well as their official site. And I will have everything linked down in the bottom bar for you. Let me know if you try this hair. Let me know what you think about the natural state of the hair, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye y'all.